So, students, today's topic is family and kinship. So, the definition of family is that it is a group of people who are related to each other either legally, means by marriage, or biologically, means by blood relation. Means a family is a group of limited people who are related to each other by some relations like father, mother, sister, brother, son, daughter. These are, and especially these relations are just come after the marriage between a male and female, means a boy and girl, and these are either legally formed after marriage, or these relations are maybe also formed by birth, means after the birth of a new baby. Then these relations are automatically connected with that newly born baby. So in these families, people are living together and sanctioned by society, means they are adopted and given the acceptance by society that these people can live together within a house, or within a registered or prescribed area. The bond of togetherness and security, these are the main purpose for living together these families. The sense of security and to help to each other, these are the major causes by which these people are living together. And they sacrifice, and they can also give their maximum help to each other within the families. And this sacrifice and this help cannot be given by the other members of the society or the other localities. This sacrifice and help, that is can go through the extreme point, means the sacrifice may be reach up to the extreme point, means sometimes it is also reaches up to the death, means the people belong to his or her family can die for his family members, or can do anything for his family members. So this extremist sacrifice, or extreme level of sacrifice, is looking the family members, or only within the families. And this is, means the concept of family is a universal and permanent. Families have given its existence from the civilization time, means when the civilization was started by the human beings or by the early men, from that time to till now, this family and kinship, this is running continuously without any break and without any problems, means it is a permanent. Now we can say, means all the sociologists are also accepting this, that the family system is now a permanent system. And it is also believed that in the future this will run as it is running. So now next topic, that is kinship. Kinship is also called natedari, rishtedari. When a person related to other person by biologically, means by birth, or by blood relation, or by legally, and a particular name to this relation is given by the society, or by the society, that is accepted by all the members of the family and society. and by this relation or by this relative names, the people can be called. Just like after taking the birth, a new baby automatically got the relations, automatically get the relations with his father and his mother and all other members of the families, and these members will automatically connected with that newly born baby by a particular relation. And when this baby will become elder, then he or she will call the family members by the particular relative names. Like his father will be called by that baby papa, daddy, pita, and so many other names given according to the societies and countries. Same as mother will be also called by that baby mother, mataji, mom, and so many other words. So this is the kinship. After taking the birth, the relations are connected with that newly born baby with the other members of the families. These are the blood relations. And after the marriage, newly bred grooms, these are getting the relations, and the other family members will connected with that new coming breed or groom. Then these will be called the legal relations, and these will be called by that relative names.